y'all? Welcome back to another mukbang. Somebody called us little old ladies. I get it though, because we did have coffee and donuts.
Oh, that's little old ladies. We went to the store and purchased, after looking for bags of hard candy. We are old ladies. Like, we realized that last week, like a couple weeks ago.
It is what it is.
We went to the store looking for hard candy.
I might have just turned 21, but I am like, hey, we mukbanging.
Hey, we mukbanging here. So if you just turned 21, we've been together for 8 years. That would have made you 13.
That's you being a pedophile.
I knew I checked your ID for you. Had a fake
That's
ID?
something else. That's for another.
Yeah,
that's for another video. That's story time.
I had to check your ID.
So,
my mom was trying to learn. She
we got this from
Smashburgers and
Smashburger. Smashburger.
Yes.
I don't know if y'all have that where y'all at.
And they're right. It's the new way to burger.
It really is. It's the best shit you will have ever put in your mouth ever when it comes to a burger. So their fries, okay, this is just my side. So I got a side of fried pickles because I love it, and it comes with ranch. I think that's ranch. So fried pickles. So that's that. Let's go both our shit too.
Missing food?
We missing food.
And it's just the worst thing in the world. Like,
I ordered smash. They gonna tell me up in the waiting room. We'll be back, cause they missing my burger. My burger was chicken, but it's still my motherfucking burger. She's letting the dog shit outside.
in the receipt.
It didn't come on no bag.
Yes, we were just there, and picked up an order we placed through waiter, but half of the order missing.
What you missing?
We had a chicken sandwich with some smashed fries. It was one of those fried chicken sandwiches. We got the burger and the fried pickles and the
Alright, you wanna come back and come get them? Sorry about that.
Alright.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what we want to do.
Yeah. Alright, we're on the way.
Alright.
Bye.
Let me at least taste their fried pickle for her.
My whole milkshake ain't gonna make it.
Let's stick it back in. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh. Okay, so we back. We got mine. As soon as we walked in there, he was like, chicken sandwich, boom, down.
Sorry about that. Good job, Smash.
I love Smashburger. Like, they always so prompt. So, okay.
That's the wrong ate a fry.
We have the smash fries. They got olive oil, rosemary, and I like something else. I'm not sure though. Oh, regular, I don't know. Those are the fries. She got the same thing. So for, spicy ketchup for the fries. The spicy ketchup from Whataburger.
This is true.
Ranch. Oh, I said that already. Forgot. Thanks. Wait, so my fries at the bottom of the bag. Like, I need that. Me either. That's what I did at first. And I was like, no, I gotta eat the burger. That's another dog outside.
I have a basic double burger, barbecue sauce, mustard, cheese. I forgot lettuce, but it's not gonna miss it.
She don't really care for lettuce like that.
I do. I like salad.
Well, yeah, salad, but not on.
It don't need to be on my burger. It can just be real meat. That's it.
The weirdest.
I have a spoon because I have this.
Yeah, what kind is that?
I know I had to stop myself from drinking it. I also have this. I forgot I ordered a milkshake. It's an Oreo milkshake. And this is an awesome IBC root beer. Yes. You ain't drinking root beer out the bottle. You ain't drinking root beer, right?
I guess. I hate root beer. It's trash. It's sweet. Only in root beer floats. I have a natural cabana premium lemonade.